Alright guys, I picked this up because I've got a set of dumbbells over here that are just getting too scattered around. I want to make them a little more neat. Got this on Amazon, I'll put the link down below, but let's open it up and put it together. So here's everything that came with it. There is no tool. You just have the bolts and washers and nuts, and so they're all wrapped up with the instructions there. Doesn't look like it'll be that hard. I'll just go ahead and find the right size ratchet for that and start putting it together. All right, the first step is to attach that thing to the base, the left and then the right. You're using the number 10 with the nut and the washer. So you see the instructions there, it's pretty self-explanatory. All right, so if you watch my other video on this thing here, the pull-up bar, it says do not tighten yet. So as you're installing it, don't tighten it yet until you get to the end, because you want to be able to put these pieces in and have them all situated. So I'm using a 17 millimeter ratchet, and then a wrench here. Okay. All right, so this is the next step, is to attach these guys. Again, don't tighten them yet. So you kind of want to put them up on top, up here, right? So they'll stick kind of on this upper part here, not slide them down. That's what the picture has anyway. So we'll go ahead and put the other two on and then tighten everything up. All right, it's all together. What I did was I tightened the top, middle, and the bottom, and then I tightened this one up here, and then I tightened that one over there. That way I was able to kind of put these guys at the top like this on all the ones there. So it's kind of what the picture showed. So let's go and put the weights on. All right, so those are all the weights I have. I have from 45s, 40, 35s, 30, 25s, 20, 15s, and 10s. So it shows you how much more you could put on here. Probably go up to 70s, I think, is what they said. So we'll eventually get there, but it's much better than all those ones just laying on the ground. It does take a little bit more of my workout space up, but I wanted to get this a little more organized. So if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. And as always, guys, please subscribe.